One of the most important documents in Thailand, whether you're married or unmarried, is a last will for any assets that you have in Thailand. It might be to leave it for your Thai boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, whatever the case may be, or friends and family back home, wherever that may be. The problems then arise if you do not have a will. If you don't have a will and die intestate and have assets, anybody's going to try and take a pick at it. Particularly important for the Thai partners that you may be married to. Their family has a line of succession. So without a will, mum, dad, brother, sister, children, aunties, uncles. If you're not married, you don't appear in that line of succession. You cannot claim to the house, the land you've got, the car you might have bought, the bank account you might have joint money in. Therefore, a will for the price of 6,000 baht is the most important document you can ever have. It leaves it to who your spouse wants to leave it to, who you want to leave it to, and it makes it clear. And where there's a will, that's who it goes to. The executor applies to the court, applies for the court order, and divides that to the beneficiaries. No line of succession, no fighting from families. So for that, it's a very, very important document.
So if you say, for an example, you've come from the UK and you've got children and whatever back home, you've got no will.
Yeah.
If you come here and you settle down with someone, you buy land, they're going to lose all that, yeah?
Potentially, yes. Yeah. How we can help is we can do both UK and Thai last wills. We can do one for your UK assets, so it's clear and concise. We can do for your Thai assets, so it's clear and concise. And again, vice versa, very important for the Thai partner, because they're the one that's holding land generally in their name that you're living on. The last thing you want to do is for your partner to pass away, no last will, you're not in the line of succession, you've got no house, no land, nowhere to live, and you've lost your assets and investment.
So I would say that having a will is probably just as important as any other legal document.
One of the most important you can have here, most definitely. In foreign jurisdictions in the UK, it's a complicated probate matter, and you've got to prove a lot of different things. Here, if you're not married, it is line of succession. And if you're not in that line of succession, you're not getting anything.